Hello everyone and welcome on our channel Learn German Easy. If you want to learn German the easy way, this channel is perfect for you. In this video, we will learn the numbers from 0 to 100 in German. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below what you want to learn next. And now let's get started. Los geht's!
Let's get right into it and learn the German numbers from 0 to 100. First of all, the first 12 numbers you just have to memorize, like in most other languages too. So, 0 in German is null. Null. 1 is eins. Eins. Zwei. Zwei. Don't forget that the EI in German is pronounced like an AI. It's not zwei, it's zwei. 3, drei, drei. 4, vier. 5, fünf. 6, sechs. CH and S is pronounced like a X, like a K, KS, sechs. 7, sieben. 8, acht. 9, neun. And 10 will be zehn, zehn. 11 is elf, elf. And 12, zwölf, zwölf. So, now let's get to the teens. They're similar like in English. You have the number 10, which is 10, and then you just put the number before it. For example, 13 will be 3 and 10. 3 and 10 will turn into 13. 13. And 14, 4 and 10. 4 and 10 turns into 14. 14. 15 will be 15. 15. 16. 16. Here it is important that you cut the S of sechs. So it will not be 16, it will be 16. 16. 17. 17. Here you have to cut off the EN of sieben. It's not 17, it's 17. 18 will be 18. 18. 19. 19. 19. And the number 20 is 20. Similar to the number 2, which is zwei. 2 and 20. Okay, everyone. Before we get into 21, 22, and so on, let's briefly summarize what we've just learned, the numbers from 1 to 19. I will count and you will count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Alright, now let's continue with the difficult part, the numbers from 20 onwards. So, the difference here in German to the other languages is that you start with the smaller number. You will not say 22 or 21, you will say 1 and 20. So, you have to start always with the smaller number. Please do not forget this. 21 will be ein und 20. So, first start with a smaller number. Then you will say und, which means and. And then you will say the tens, 20 or 30, 30. So do not forget that you always start with a smaller number. 21 will be ein und 20. 22 will be 2 and 20. 2 und 20. 22. Now, how will be 23? It will be 3 and 20. 3 und 20. 23. 24. 4 und 20. 4 and 20. 24. 25. 5 und 20. 25. Now, how will be 26? Always start with a smaller number. So 6 and 20. 6 und 20. 27. 7 und 20. 27. 28. 8 and 20. 8 und 20. 28. 29. 9 und 20. 29. Alright, now let's get into the 30s. 30. 30 means 30. The system will stay the same. You will always start with a smaller number, then the and then the 10, the tens. 30 will now be our 10. So, 30 is 30. Now 31 will be 1 and 30. Ein und 30. 31. 32. 2 und 30. 32. 33. 3 und 30. 33. 34. 4 und 30. 34. 35. 5 und 30. 35. 36. 6 und 30. 36. 37. 7 und 30. 37. 38. 8 und 30. 38. 39. 9 und 30. 39. Now, 40 in German is 40. Similar to the number 14. Please do not forget that 14 is 14 and 40 is 40. Now, let's just take a look at the tens, because the system will always be the same. You always start with a smaller number, then you go on with the and then with the tens, okay? So 40 is 40. 50 is 50. Also similar to the number 15, which is 15. Do not confuse the both. 50 is 50. 15 is 15. 60 is 60. 60. 70 is 70. 70. 80 is 80. 80. 90 is 90. 90. And for the number 100, you can either say 100 or just 100, 100. Okay, now how will be 55, for example? You start with the unit 5, then you go on with the and then you go on with 50. So it will be 5 und 50. Okay, let's take a look now at 3 important phrases for your everyday German use. I am 25 years old, to say your age. you can say Ich bin 25. You start with the unit 5 und 20. 25. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. I am 25 years old. Der Einkauf kostet 34 Euro. The purchase costs 34 euros. So 34. 34. You start with the smaller number, with the unit 4. And then the tens. 34. I live in Munich since 5 years. Ich wohne seit 5 Jahren in München. Ich wohne seit 5 Jahren in München. Okay, everyone. Now let's just summarize the tens from 20 to 100 briefly before doing a small exercise. 20 is 20. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100, 100. Okay, now just a small exercise to test your knowledge. Which number is that? Welche Zahl ist das? So 2 seconds to decide. Very similar to English. 4. Okay, next one. Also similar to English. 16. 16. Okay, how do you say this number? Do not forget to start with the unit, the 8. Then you say and then you say 20. So it will be 28. And last but not least, how do you say 44 in German? 44. Alright everyone, I hope this video helped you learning the German numbers from 0 to 100. Feel free to give the video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss any future videos. Your Learn German Easy team. See you soon. Bye bye.